This is Tasiilaq. Today I still didn't set the time on the camera. It's 2:15, 5th of August 2019. So we're going to do a little hike, getting outside of town here and pan around, see a little bit more of the town. Not much here. It's quite hilly, but luckily we're going downhill here, so it's not too bad. Getting a little chilly too. There's a little creek here in part of the town. We're going to head up on this trail here. Okay, we're moving. Hey, how you doing, everybody? How you doing? He has to go around and see everybody.
Hi.
There he is.
Hi. Oh, the puppies. The puppies. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh,
There you go,
ridiculous.
puppies.
Yeah, I told you, we break for puppies.
This is a cemetery here. It looks like some of the more recent graves are right down here in front with a multitude of flowers on them. Totally decorated with flowers on these graves here. And this must be the new area to add more graves in. But here's the cemetery right here.
So I'll just take a moment to talk about it.
Another waterfall here.
Will it's just already gone to sea?
She's back on her hands and knees looking at something. Pretty sure that's what she said it was.
Fuzz grass. Well, I'm sitting here on a rock. I've got my net on because there was a bunch of these little bugs, even though I put bug spray on my hat and my shoulders. They're not too bad right now because I can take this off and they're not flying around. And so you can see me a little bit better. And sitting on a rock here, there's still a few bugs flying around me here. But hopefully this is the end of the trail. We're going to start heading back. It's about 4:45 and dinner is at 6. And it's going to take us probably a good hour to walk back. And it's a bit of a hike. So kids are a little tired here. So I'll be glad to get back, have a cordial or two for happy hour, which I hope we don't miss happy hour. I think we might by the time we get back if we dilly-dally any longer here. But okay, Ed Getley signing off. See you later. reporting to you from Greenland, East Greenland here, just a few steps south of the Arctic Circle here on 5th of August 2019. Bye-bye.